Our dynamic, young, effective, and outstanding performer, Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi and Education Minister of Delhi, Shri Manish Bhai. Our distinguished alumnus, Professor Dhirendra Yogi Goswami from University of South Florida and founder of a company, Molecule, inventor, entrepreneur, and educationist. Shri Rajesh Prasad, Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Delhi. Shri Azimul Haq, Director, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Delhi. Professor Madhusudan Singh, Dean, Undergraduate Studies. Professor S.C. Sharma, Dean, Postgraduate Studies. Professor Ashutosh Trivedi, Dean, Research. Professor Shamsher, Registrar of the University. Professor Narendra, Dean, Discipline. Professor R.S. Mishra, Dean, Outreach and Extension. Professor Vishal Verma, Dean, International Affairs. Professor Rajesh Rohilla, Dean, Alumni and Training and Placement. Professor Indu, Dean, Student Welfare. Shri Kamal Pathak, Controller of Examination. Librarian Shri Shukla ji, Honorable Members of University Court, Board of Management, Academic Council, Finance Committee, and Planning Board of Delhi Technological University. Our dear alumni, officers, officials of DTU, invited guests, proud and happy parents, enthusiastic degree recipients, gold medalists, my dear PhD students, my friends from media, invited guests, our bright, talented, and gifted students, very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Delhi Technological University, and as the Vice Chancellor of this great institution, I welcome you all on this important and auspicious day, that is 7th convocation of Delhi Technological University. The graduation ceremony is the most important day in the university calendar. It is a profound and defining moment for graduates, and we take pride in your achievements. I am sorry for not inviting everyone on the campus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, we are conducting this convocation on time in these difficult times, but could invite only our PhD students on campus. Our other students, gold medalists, and their parents are connected online and are part of this ceremony through virtual mode. We feel your presence, those who are on virtual mode, we feel your presence in this auditorium of the university. Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations. I would like to welcome our Deputy Chief Minister and Education Minister of Delhi, who is passionate about education, who is very creative about education, who understands education, and also has courage to take steps to reform the education. Sometimes we have idea, but we don't implement the idea. He has good number of ideas and also courage to implement the ideas. That is the best thing about him. A humble, ever-smiling, affectionate leader who inspires and influences everyone. Delhi is lucky to have such a performing leader. Thank you, Manish Bhai. और उनको देख के लगता है कि कुछ पदचिन्हों पर चलते, because he has ideas and courage to implement also, कुछ पदचिन्हों पर चलते, कुछ पदचिन्ह नए बनाते हैं, जो पदचिन्ह नए बनाते हैं वो जग में जाने जाते हैं. Our chief guest is our alumnus of 1969 batch of mechanical engineering, who is a known entrepreneur, inventor, author, and educator. He advises the US government and Indian government on energy policy and transition of renewable energy. He is an expert of renewable energy across the globe. He is also a distinguished professor and the director of the Clean Energy Research Center at University of Florida. His inventions have been commercialized, and in 2016, Professor Goswami was inducted into Florida Inventors Hall of Fame. He co-founded Molecule, a company which makes air purifiers. He received his BTech Mechanical Engineering in 1969. Thank you, Professor, our alumnus. We are proud of you. And once again, I welcome you in your own institution, that is your alma mater, Delhi Technological University. My dear students, he is a role model for all of us. In the year 2020, a difficult year, we are facing unprecedented times. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought the world to a slowdown. Even in such difficult times, DTU has shown great preparedness and adaptability to battle the pandemic. With the university partially closed due to COVID-19, prompt decisions were taken to enable remote learning with the help of internet-based technologies. Arrangements for online classes, internship, AI-based proctored examination, conduct of examination online also, to name a few. During such times, I remember the quote of Martin Luther King Jr., the quote, which keeps our chin up during this time. And he said, if you cannot fly, then run. If you cannot run, then walk. If you cannot walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving. And in Delhi Technological University, this keep moving forward is very, very important, and we are doing so, and we are taking steps in the right direction. That is more important. Pace, yes, it may have slowed down, but we are taking all steps in the right direction. And I'm sure, that my dear students, we don't have to worry about it. Today, difficult time, but tomorrow things will change, and we have bright future ahead. एक हिंदी फिल्म का गाना है बहुत अच्छा कि रात भर का है मेहमा अंधेरा, रात भर का है मेहमा अंधेरा, किसके रोके रुका है सवेरा, रात जितनी भी संगीन होगी होगा उतना ही उजला सवेरा. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We have bright future and good number of expectations ahead of us. As we all know, Delhi Technological University was started in 1941 as an institution as Delhi Polytechnic. It renamed in Delhi College of Engineering in 1965 and reconstituted as Delhi Technological University in 2009. We pay our respect. We pay our respect and gratitude to the people of Delhi, to the government of Delhi for providing us excellent inputs in terms of students, teachers, human resource, infrastructure, support, and liberal grant. We are thankful to Government of Delhi and people of Delhi for that. We are also thankful to all former chancellors, vice chancellors, principals, directors, teachers, students, officers, staff who had been part of this great institution since 1941 and contributed in making this Delhi Technological University as Delhi Technological University, which has become a great institution of our country. Thanks to all of them. Our vision here is what? We want to be a world-class university through education, innovation, and research for the service of humanity. That's why these three pillars are important: education, innovation, and research. But for what? For the service of humanity. That's why we want to produce those graduates, those scholars who will work for the welfare of society, for the welfare of humanity. This is very, very important. Some of our pride points here. We have 2 campuses, 13,491 students on campus, eminent and distinguished faculty, publications, citations, our research influence, excellent, placements, community conscious societies, and world-famous alumni. These are our points of pride. Nowadays, everyone is talking about rankings and accreditation. It has become a buzzword. Everyone is worried about it. Everyone is also, taking steps to improve ranking in national ranking as well as international rankings. I would like to share some of the statistics of Delhi Technological University. In magazine ranking first of all, I would like to tell you the magazine ranking parameters are very different. They focus on quality of students. They focus on quality of admissions. Then they also focus on the placements. And Delhi Technological University is excellent in placement, and we are getting best mind of our country. That's why, because we are very good in these 2 parameters, and those are the foundations for such rankings. India Today ranking, in 2018, we were ranked 7th best institution of the country. In 2019, 5th best institution of the country. And 2020, again, we are 5th best institution of the country after 4 IITs. Then, Times Engineering Institution ranking, in 2018, we were the 5th best institution of the country. 2019, 2nd best institution of the country. And 2020, best institution of the country. We are proud of all of you. We got first rank in this ranking. Then yesterday, another ranking, Outlook. India ranking came, and we are placed 9th best institution after 8 IITs. 9th best institution of the country. Coming to the government ranking system, which has inspired from the international rankings, where focus is different. Their focus is on research. Their focus is on influence of research. Their focus is on citations. Their focus is on international students and teachers. And, now we are working in that direction also. But, because those parameters were different, and it will take some time also, but I would like to share National Institution Ranking Framework. Of 2017, we were ranked 39th, 2018, 41, 2019, 34, and 2020, 36th best institution of the country, but our number is increasing. Although there is a variation of rank of 1 or 2 here or there, 46, 46, 49, and 51. Marks are increasing because it has become very competitive in those parameters. And in Times Higher Education World Ranking, we participated last time, first time. And we were placed in the bracket of 1,000 plus. But now this year, based on our research performance and citations, our rank has improved. Now we are in the bracket of 801 to 1,000 bracket. In the next year, we have improved. In engineering and technology, 801 bracket, physical science, 801, computer science, 601, Asia university ranking, 301 to 350 bracket. And this is the NAAC accredited institution. And we were ranked A with a score of cumulative grade point 3.22. And our programs are also, 5-6 programs are NBA accredited programs. Now in this 7th convocation, we are awarding 2,063 undergraduate degrees, 520 postgraduate degrees, and 78 PhD degrees. And we have invited today all PhD students, 78 PhD students. This number is highest in the history of Delhi Technological University. Highest in the Delhi Technological University. I just would like to share the statistics here also. In 2014, DTU produced first PhD. Because we became a university in 2009, so in 2014, first PhD. In 2016, 28. 2017, 52. 2019, 62. And 2020, 78. This number is highest in the university. When it comes to students' growth, in 2015, we were having 8,612 students in DTU. And as on today in 2020, our strength has increased. It is 13,491. So more than 5,000 students have been added in the last 5 years in the university. International students also. First time we admitted students in 2016, but now in DTU we have 591 international students representing 40 countries. Number of admitted students in this year, we have admitted 3,162 undergraduate students, 784 postgraduate students, and 179 PhD students. Now, when it comes to research and innovation, why? Because now we have to focus on this also, very important parameter for ranking, accreditation, and other things. When it comes to publications, Scopus indexed, which is one of the quality parameters, Scopus indexed research publications. In 2013, Manish bhai, we published 302 papers. In 2014, 336. But this year, 2020, our number has raised to 1,008 Scopus Index research publications. When it comes to citations, citation meaning is, we all know, it is the number where other people are citing our research, using our research. In 2013, 1,849 research papers were times it was cited, 14 it became 2375. But in 2020, this number has, in 1 year, 14,086. See the journey from 1,849 to 14,000, total scale has changed. And when it comes to the H-index of DTU, in 2016 it was 34, in 2017 44, 1860, 1969, and as on today, 79. And if I'm not wrong, India's H-index is about, I think, 400 or 500, and United States of America is 2,240 something. So this is the journey where we want to go, as a country also and as a university also. We are very good in placement this year also and during pandemic also. This batch, the highest package is 1.07 crore from Amazon. Indian domestic package is 51 lakh rupees. Total students placed 1,310. Number of offers 1,549. And the best is the average package is 12.79 lakhs. This is the average package for so many students. And during the pandemic also for the next batch, which will pass out next year. As on today, number of offers 868, number of companies visited 141, highest package is 51, number of offers 166. And right now our average is 15 lakh, but still 6 months are there. So during pandemic also, our placement division and our students are doing extremely well. Another important aspect which is very close to our education minister and deputy chief minister, that we should be job creators. And he said, you should focus on the job creation aspect. And in our DTU incubator, right now 26 companies are working in our incubator. And out of 10 startups, which are very famous startups of India, 6 are from our alumni. 6 are from our alumni. And for our startup companies, one company, Respil Private Limited, got funding, international funding of 1 crore rupees from our alumnus, who is the chief guest today, Professor Yogi Goswami. He has funded 1 crore rupees to a startup. Then we have also one company, Fuset Laboratory, got a funding of $1 lakh from international funding. So our startup companies are also doing well, and we are waiting for a great success. I hope that in coming times we will have the success. Coming to the minor, and right now everyone is talking about new education policy, but many things we could already implement in Delhi Technological University, open and flexible curriculum. Right now we have implemented the fundamental spirit of open and flexible curriculum from this academic year, major and minor. It means what? A student who has taken admission in computer science, but he has special interest in mechanical engineering or electrical vehicles, he can take minor in electrical vehicles and major in computer science, or a student of biotechnology, major in biotechnology, minor in computer science, economics, management. So total flexibility of things that we have implemented here, the concept of major and minor, which many good international universities are doing. Now we have also implemented this. So we have achieved many milestones since last 6th convocation, and direction and pace of growth is very good. My dear graduating students, you are our pride. You are our pride, and please maintain this throughout your life. Our dear students, we are fortunate to have you as our dear students. Achieve great heights. Be a player, not a spectator. And start your, if you are joining companies, because right now we have PhD students here. If you want to join a research organization, and those who are online, if you are joining a company, please do it. But with an objective that in the coming years, you have to start your own company so that you all will become job creators for others. And lastly, that is okay, but also our objective is for humanity. When we talk about humanity, we say you should also be good human beings. कुंवर बेचन साहब ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही है. उन्होंने कहा कि कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना, कि कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना, कि जिसने बाढ़ के पानी में भी सीखा अड़े रहना. कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना, जिसने बाढ़ के पानी में भी सीखा अड़े रहना। मैं कितने ही बड़े लोगों की नीचाइयों से वाकिफ हूं, बड़ा मुश्किल है दुनिया में बड़े होकर बड़ा रहना। तो आज के दिन मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि आप अपनी जिंदगी में बड़े होकर बड़े रहना, बड़े होकर छोटे मत बन जाना। मैं, हमारे शिक्षा मंत्री हैं, सामने ही कह रहा हूं कि इनको देख के भी मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि जो बड़प्पन इन्होंने रखा हुआ है, आप इसको बनाए रखिएगा। कितने भी बड़े जाएं, इस बड़प्पन को बनाए रखिएगा, ताकि सबको लगे कि यार मिले थे तो किसी बड़े आदमी से मिले। कई बार लगता है बड़े से मिले थे, पद तो बड़ा था पर आदमी छोटा बैठा था उसके ऊपर। मैं DTU के आप स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ये आप ध्यान रखिए कि बड़े होकर बड़ा रहना। कुंवर बेचैन की लाइनें आप ध्यान रखें। और लास्टली आई वांट ए प्रॉमिस दैट ऑन दिस डे वी ऑल शुड take a promise that in our lifetime we will not do anything which is against the interest of our country. We will not do anything. आप में से कितने ऐसे हैं जो देंगे, ऐसे प्रॉमिस देंगे? जो नहीं भी देना चाहते आज तो हाथ खड़ा कर लो। अपनी जिंदगी में हम ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करेंगे जो इस देश के खिलाफ हो, तभी तो ये देश आप में आशा रखता है, उम्मीद रखता है। उस उम्मीदों पे हमको खरे उतरना है। ये ध्यान में रखते हुए I would like to thank all of you. All the best. May God bless all of you, my dear students. Thank you very much.